Hey guys, so I'm going camping tomorrow and I need to pack a bag. I don't know what to pack. I haven't gone camping in over 2 years. Last time I went camping was with my friend Brooklyn. So I'm gonna take you guys along on this little camping weekend. Alright, so I just put everything on my bed that I think I will be taking with me. The first thing that I'm packing is 2 bathing suits. I'm not really sure how the weather is supposed to be. I think it's supposed to rain. Even if it does rain, I'm still going to the beach. I'm going to be using this Puma duffel bag. These light wash denim shorts. These dark denim shorts. And they have this little tie thing in the back of them because they're too big for me. These workout shorts. These black shorts. Black leggings. And then sweatpants just in case it's cold. And I know I'm only staying for the weekend, but I am an extra packer because I change my outfit like 20 times a day. I'm gonna bring this little yellow top, a brown tank, this little white tank, an oversized long sleeve t-shirt, another long sleeve shirt to sleep in. And lastly, for clothes is this hoodie. Then for like beauty and stuff, I'm going to bring sunscreen, but I use sunscreen every day, so I'm not going to pack that until tomorrow so that I can use it tomorrow. This bag just has makeup in it, and I know some people will probably be like, oh, you're going camping, why are you bringing makeup? Because I'm me. I forgot my eyelash curler and I need to grab that or I will die. I'm bringing 3 extra hair ties and a claw clip. Fits perfectly. And then in here I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. We're getting ready to go. Got Lockie here. Hi. And me and Channing are sleeping in the tent. It's so disgusting.
In a tent.
So everybody is sleeping in the camper van, except me and my brother Channing. We're sleeping in this tent. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna blow up these air mattresses now. Me and my brother are playing Uno now. Guys, I'm so tired. Like, I could fall asleep right now. I think I'm just gonna watch my show or a movie and lay down. So, yeah. Guys, I'm trying to use the bathroom as less as I can because it's really gross in here. Okay, I swear to God, I'm not like a germ freak or whatever, but I low-key am. Like, if someone in my house is sick, you know I'm walking around with a mask on. Guys, I'm in the bathroom again, and I got a glow stick. See? Hey guys, so me and my brother are just snacking right now. Hey guys, so it is now 6 something in the morning and I woke up. I don't know if anybody else is up yet. It rained last night and we're sleeping in a tent. It was so cold last night. I have 2 long
that?
That's all. Hey guys, so I just did my makeup. Anyways, I just did my makeup, so that's done, and we're gonna go to the beach soon.
Peace out.
Winner is Lachlan Ivy! Getting ready to sit at the table, so.
Why is the music so at the beach now?
Alright, so it's pretty cold, so we're not like swimming. We did all wear our bathing suits. Like the water is not like sorry. I'm like gonna cry. Isn't it? Or something chasing me. We're back from the beach now. What? It's kind of cold. I'm gonna put a hoodie on.
Dad, you have to press your legs, and you have to make a height like this. That's called a press height.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to make s'mores. Hey guys, I fell asleep for like an hour or something, and now we're eating supper. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thatcher. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You guys want okay guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. It's like 10 o'clock, I think. It is 10 o'clock and I'm going to bed now. we're all packed up and ready to go. We're just waiting for our parents to make sure that everything is in the car. So yeah, we'll be home in like 30 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're home. We've been home for a little bit, but I showered, we ate supper, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Toodles!
How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody